Hello guys, welcome to Spot Area channel. Now I will give you tutorial how to archive the chat on WhatsApp. And before that, I wanna ask you, how are you guys? Don't miss any of our videos. Don't forget like, share, and subscribe to this channel. And let's start it. First, we can go to the WhatsApp application here. After that, you can scroll down that you want to be archived. Press and hold the chat that you want to archive and click the symbol of archive here. And yeah, the chat will be archived. And this is a tutorial how to archive chat in your WhatsApp. And I hope this video is useful for you, and bye.